Are you doing an SEO project where you want to rank top on search engine? Are you finding it difficult for doing competitor analysis? You can't afford premium and costly tools for doing SEO? I have got an easy answer for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to do competitor analysis using Ubersuggest. So let's begin. This is Snehal Prakash from Snehal Talks. To do the competitor analysis, you'll have to go to neilpatel.com, or either you can go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. So after opening this, you'll get a window like this. To do a competitor analysis, first you'll have to find out your competitor. In my blog snailtalks.com/Ubersuggest, I have already mentioned how do we find our competitors. You can check that on my blog. Currently I am taking one of the competitor, that is bamboohr.com. It is one of the renowned HR software company in United States. So I'll enter this down in this search bar. I'll select the target location as United States and then hit the search bar. So Ubersuggest will give me all the information that is relevant to bamboohr.com, and with these all data you can do the competitor analysis. So the very first information that it gives is the organic keyword. By organic keyword, Ubersuggest means the number of keyword this domain ranks for in the organic searches. So it's approximately 34,000 keywords. Then comes the organic traffic, the total estimate traffic this domain gets considering the organic keyword. So approximately 64,000 is the monthly traffic that bamboohr.com is getting. Then comes paid keywords, the number of keywords that this domain is bidding for in Google Ads. And finally comes the paid ad cost, an estimate of how much money is being spent by this domain with Google Ads per month. So bamboohr is approximately spending 1,23,000 Indian rupees in United States for Google paid ads. Then comes a graph. This tells about how the organic traffic has grown over months. So for bamboohr, in the month of August 2018, the estimate visit was around 27,000, that has grown to approximately 64,000 in just 8 months. So the SEO team of bamboohr is really doing a great job. Then comes the domain score. It's a score between 0 to 100, where a larger number, approximately above 50, 60, is considered as a good domain score. So bamboohr has really got a good authority in search engine. It has got around 23 lakhs backlinks with no follow backlinks of around 2,53,000. Referring domain means the number of unique domain that are pointing to or giving backlink to bamboohr.com. To know more about backlinks, do follow backlinks, no follow backlinks, I have already created a video and explaining what does these backlinks mean. .edu.gov links. This is basically the number of government websites that are linking to bamboohr.com. So really bamboohr.com has made a good name in United States, where governments are also talking about this particular HR software. Then comes the SEO keyword ranking. So you'll see that from August till March, the number of keywords in 1 to 3 position for bamboohr is increasing day by day. So bamboohr has got a really good name in the top 10 searches, with approximately, if we see, around 5 to 6,000 keywords are ranking in top 10 searches that are linking to bamboohr.com. So that's really a good number. Then comes the main part of this video, the top SEO pages. This is the place that help us analyze the main competitor analysis stuff. So how do we do competitor analysis using the top page SEO information from Ubersuggest? If you see, the top pages that are getting ranked on Google search for bamboohr.com is shown here. So obviously the homepage is getting the maximum number of visit, and it's the United States that is the major location of Bamboo HR. Then comes Canada, then India, then United Kingdom. So while doing the competitor analysis, you can easily figure out that there is really a great market for HR software in United States, then in Canada, then in India, then in United Kingdom. But then don't be sure about this, because it may happen that Bamboo HR has a priority of targeting only the United States, because we know that there are some other great HR software that is really doing great in United Kingdom or in India. So be sure about every location. For suppose if we are doing the competitor analysis for Bamboo HR, we see that in the second top page it's bamboohr.com/top 25 HR blogs. So from this we get an idea that Bamboo HR is getting a major traffic by talking about other blog pages. So in this case, what you can also do is you can write a content about the top 50 HR blogs in the world and then get backlinks for that and get a good amount of traffic. But what are the keywords that you are going to rank for this? So Ubersuggest is going to help you in this way. When you click on this estimate visit column, view all button, Ubersuggest will tell you all the keywords for which this particular page of top 25 HR blog is getting a traffic from. For suppose HR blog, human resource blog, these are some of the keywords that are getting huge traffic for this particular page of Bamboo HR. But then you'll say that the volume searches are very low. So what you can do is there must be some of the keywords like HR BLO. This is not a very relevant keyword, but it has got a really good amount of volume. But the SEO difficulty also you'll have to see. This has a very large number of SEO difficulty. So you'll have to export to CSV button. You'll have to click that, and then the entire number of keywords will come out. You can use those keywords with the lower keyword difficulty but a higher volume searches. Use those keywords, make a blog that would also talk about some 25 to 50 HR blogs. Get the backlinks, try to see where this particular page has got its backlink from. Get your backlinks from that places by connecting to the webmaster of that particular pages, and make that page rank high on Google searches. You can check out more of its pages. For example, this third page, that is one of the top page of this Bamboo HR, the best employee benefits and perks. So it has got 730 monthly visit. If you check the keywords for which this particular page is getting traffic, Ubersuggest will show that this page has got approximately 50 backlinks. So what you can do after analyzing this is you can also write a blog, best employee benefit and perks. You will write a better version of its article and then gets backlink for the same. So you see, for this particular blog, benefit to the employee is one keyword that has 8,000 volume searches, and the keyword difficulty is just 20. So what you have to figure out from this is you'll have to write a very interesting blog that will talk about the best employee benefits and perks, and you need to target these particular keywords with good amount of volume searches and a lower SEO difficulty. You see the SEO difficulty here is 15, 20. This is very less. So write a blog, target these particular keywords with high volume searches and a lower SEO difficulty, get backlinks. To find where to get backlinks, click on this particular view all button of backlink section. This page has the Ubersuggest will tell you the backlinks that it is getting from. Currently I guess it has got some issue with their servers or data, so it's not showing. But then you can use this SEO analyzer backlink section and go and check the backlinks of this particular website for that particular page. So it has already taken this domain, so you can select this option and enter that particular link and search for the backlinks. So it's that great. You just need to find out the backlinks from where this particular page has got a backlink try to get a backlink from that particular location, and you are done with your best SEO practice. So this is how you do a competitor analysis. But to get more deeper into competitor analysis, if you go to your competitor website, you can install some of the plugins. Like I would say, you install the Facebook pixel helper. This will help you understand whether your competitor is retargeting their website visitor or not. So here bamboohr.com is retargeting its website visitor on Facebook. Then this is Google Tag Manager, Tag Assistant Chrome plugin. You can also install that in your Chrome browser and check your competitor whether they are retargeting their customers through Google search engine or not. So here Google Ads conversion tracking shows that bamboohr is trying to retarget their website visitor on Google search results as well, either it is in terms of search result or display or ads or any way. Then you can use SimilarWeb's Chrome plugin, so it can give you an approximate idea about the kind of social media traffic that your competitor is getting. For suppose bamboohr is getting 42% of its social media traffic from LinkedIn, then from Facebook, then YouTube, then Twitter. So from this you can figure out that it's basically a SaaS product. So obviously you'll try it's a product that is more of B2B, business to business solution software. So obviously the business people are there on LinkedIn more. So bamboohr is trying to get more people from LinkedIn. So this way you can figure out and do the competitor analysis and really make a good marketplace for yourself. So that's all about this video. If you have any doubt about competitor analysis, you can bring down your problem in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to this video channel named snailtalks.com. I hope you like this video. To watch more video, you can check the playlist below. Thanks for watching this video.